Yo guys, it's me again. So, I downloaded the latest version because my last vid was a late version. It's an older version. Now I downloaded the new version. I got copper sword, copper chest, copper armor. Yeah, copper armor. And we also got copper tools, and that's cool. And the shelf. Shelf is a good thing to craft because you can replace items and place your items like that. You can also use redstone here, but I don't have it yet. So today's vid, I'm gonna upload this in my channel. I'm bored, so I decided to record. Let's get copper. Let's go. Bruh, the lag. It's hard that being on mobile, bruh. Let's go, mining session, my favorite. Oh my god. I know it's dangerous to dig straight down, but it's just it's just the technique that I know. Start. So when I get a lava down, I'm not safe. Oh no, I don't have the iron, bruh. There's no caves yet. I'm just waiting for a cave, bruh. Redstone. I don't have iron yet. Huh? Yo, a mine shaft. Let's go. Oh shit. Dang. Why am I crouching? No chest. I see. Sorry, my dog was barking. I'm running out of torches, bruh. Bro. Oh shit. Sir, iron. Coppers are so good, bro. They're easy to get and they drop more loots than other ores. There's other ores only give one, but copper gives more. I don't have a torch. Sheesh. Let's go back. Where were we? Business, bruh. Oh nah, bruh. I ate zombies, bruh. So I just make this video to react on the copper update, and copper is fire, bro. They're so easy to get. Even when you're in another biome, you can get it much easier. And they're above leather but below iron. Yeah. And the good thing is they have copper tools too. But they oxidize. But that's true. That's good. And bye!